C. I get 6a squared b to the fourth, 6a squared b to the fourth, minus 9a cubed b cubed, a cubed b cubed, plus 4a cubed b to the fourth, 4a cubed b to the fourth, all divided by a cubed b to the fourth, a cubed b to the fourth. Okay. So again, I have a trinomial in the top, monomial, it's the same process. So this becomes, alright, so I have 6a squared b to the fourth divided by a cubed b to the fourth minus 9a cubed b cubed over a cubed b to the fourth plus a cubed b to the fourth over a cubed b to the fourth. Okay. So then this becomes, now it's just 6, so I have a 6 times, now I gotta say a squared divided by a cubed is a to the power of 2 minus 3. B to the 4 divided by b to the 4 is just b to the 4 minus 4. Okay, so that's the first term. The second one is minus 9. I have a 3 minus 3. A 3 minus 3. I have b 4 minus 4. So b 4 minus 4 plus 4 a to the power of 3 minus 3 times b to the power of 4 minus 4. So now after you simplify all of these, you get 6a to the minus 1, b to the 0, minus 9a to the 0, b to the 0, plus 4a to the 0, b to the 0. And then this becomes 6 over a minus a to the 0 is 1, that's 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So you have minus 9 plus 4. So then that should just be 6 over a. Oh, I see, I made a mistake. Okay, let's back up. Yeah, because I was like, I knew these terms shouldn't cancel, so let me leave it there. Let's do this. Alright, so this is where I made my error. With this 9, I said a to the 3 minus 3. This is actually 3 minus 4. So this should be b negative 1. Okay. So now that I fixed that, if I continue doing what I was doing, this becomes 4 or plus 4 a to the right here. This should have been a 3 and not a 4. Okay. So now I still have a to the 0, b to the 0. There we go. That makes more sense. So now I have 6 over a minus 9. A to the 0 becomes 1. So this is 9 over b. And then this goes to 1 and this goes to 1. Okay. So then you have just plus 4. So if I look at C, 6 over a minus 9 over b plus 4. This is the final answer. I'm leaving the error in the presentation to show you, these things do happen. But it's all in your ability to catch the mistakes. Okay, the more you can catch, the higher you're gonna be able to take it. Okay. Okay. So for example 2, we just want to divide. Again, we just want to divide. Okay, so in this case, we have 2k squared plus 17k plus 30 divided by k plus 6. Now before we were dividing a polynomial by a monomial. This time in the denominator we have a binomial because it has 2 terms. Let me see something. Okay. So what we want to do in this case is a method called polynomial long division. Alright, so it parallels this idea. If you do long division, say you said, I don't know, 7 divided into 28. So then you would say this would be a 4. 7 times 4, you get a 28. Again, subtract here, and you get 0. The idea is we're going to be doing this with polynomials. Okay, like we did that vertical multiplication, we're going to be doing this idea with polynomials. Okay. Okay. All right. So with the problem that we're looking at, I'm just going to rewrite it, trying to kind of keep the screen clean. So again, what we're looking at, we have this 2k squared plus 17k plus 30 divided by k plus 6. Okay. So when we do polynomial long division, this falls to the right in this manner. So when you write it, in the long division form, it becomes k plus 6 like this. When I say it falls to the right, that means put this numerator inside your radical.